Greetings to everyone. The topic of our video today pertains to a game-changing discovery that suggests future Artemis astronauts landing near the moon's south pole might actually stroll across rocks originating from deep within the lunar mantle. The South Pole-Aitken basin, the largest and oldest confirmed impact structure on the moon and stretching more than 2,000 kilometers across on the far side, was excavated through the crust and deep into the mantle early in lunar history by one of the most violent collisions in the solar system. Advanced computer simulations reveal this was a low-angle strike from a 260-kilometer differentiated impactor with a dense iron core that approached from the north, traveled south, and perfectly explains the basin's distinctive elongated and tapered shape while blasting enormous quantities of mantle material into space. Gravity inversions now show a roughly 400-kilometer wide annulus of large amplitude. Small-scale gravity anomalies around the rim, interpreted as the SP ejector blanket, that likely contains more than 5 million cubic kilometers of mantle-derived material, plus a previously unnoticed 1,440-kilometer diameter peak ring inside the basin that marks the transition between collapsed ejector and the central melt sheet, with 3 later craters excavating sources that reveal varied orthoparoxene and clinoparoxene-rich compositions and point to a strongly heterogeneous subsurface right across the South Polar region where proposed Artemis landing sites sit. Researchers including Dr. William Botke and Dr. Gabriel Gauman emphasize that the combination of impact and gravity modeling gives us a powerful roadmap not just for how the basin formed, but for where to find the rocks that can answer some of our biggest questions about the moon's origin and evolution. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like, hype, share and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.